Come and join with us to celebrate Birds Day. Throughout the years, birds stay across the globe, flapping their wings, singing migratory songs every year. Today, we are celebrating Birds Day. Our kindergarten have performed like birds. Come and join with us and enjoy with us.
Good morning, all. My name is Anjana. I am Anjana. I am peacock. I am National Bird of India. I like to dance in rainy season. Thank you. Morning. My name is Sikrita from Carmel Public School. I'm going to tell about Pelican. Pelican is a large bird with a long beak. Pelican are found in coastlines, rivers, and lakes. Thank you. Hi friends. I am Earingle, Loxy bird. I live in European country. I eat egg, fish, prawn, and salt water. I am goldfish bird. I am small migratory bird. And red. I have red face and yellow wings. Thank you. Extremely intelligent birds. They know their problems called screens. And amazing communication skills. Thank you. Good morning all. My name is Alvin. I am studying LKGA. I am eagle. The eagle is a large bird of prey mostly found in Asia and in Africa. I belong to a family of Basipedia. I powerful bird that marks my head and beak. The eagle is a carnivorous. I use strong talons to catch and grab food. Short beaks to tear meat. Eyes of eagle. Powerfulness which is 3.6 times human eye vision. Independent species of eagle. We can reach at height 10,000 and 20,000 feet above sea level. I built nest, hide cliff or tall tree. Thank you all. Hi everybody, I am Cuckoo Bird. I am black, my tail is long, my beak is strong, my eyes are red. I eat fruits and also eat insects. My voice is so sweet. I am a singing bird. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Hello everyone. I hope your people know me pretty well. I am the biggest bird among the rest. I can fly any height. I am omnivorous. My eyes are big and keen. I have measured my sense. My beak is strong and short. My legs are strong. I don't have feathers on my neck. My food is dead bodies. It may look unhygienic. I feed upon carcass and clean up your surroundings. We are usually 23 species in this world. Many of my family members are not seen. We are living thick and high forests. We visit your place. We are on the throne. You saved us, we saved you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Farpani Tawdar, Kachi Carmel Public School. I am going to tell about our elephant bird. It has front head, 4 eyes. It has brown, grey and black color feathers. It is in fact small bird. They have perfect power to see at night. Thank you.
Now Rachel.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I am Advik the hen. I am a domestic bird. I eat grains, seeds, fruits and vegetables. I stay in the coop. I have strong beak. Thank you.
How penguins live in the southern hemisphere. Penguins can drink seawater. Hello everyone, I am Pigeon. I am beautiful bird. I have very good hearing and memory power. I have 2 eyes, 2 wings, and small feathers all over the body. Let me eat small grains, seeds, and cereals. I am love. Please allow. Thank you. Good morning to everybody. I am Arun Rafe of UKGC. Owl is a bird. Owls are carnivorous. They eat insects, fish, and other birds. Owls live in forests. Thank you. National Birthday is adopted to raise awareness about birds. Ornithology is the study of birds. I am going to speak few lines about parrot. Parrot scientific name is Psittaciform. An excellent family pet. This one is a bird which can understand, imitate, and imitate human speech. Parrots eat nuts, seeds, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you. I am Little Robin Redbreast. I am bird. I sing song. I am small brown bird with red breast. I am friendly bird. I eat earthworms, nuts. Hi everyone, my name is Angela Mary. I am going to tell about rooster. Rooster is a domestic bird. It's a male matured chicken. on his face. And it make crowning louder. Cuckoo, cuckoo, to wake up everyone. Thank you.
Mind-blowing facts about birds. A bird's feathers weigh more than its skeleton. The fastest flying bird in a dive is the peregrine falcon. It averages speed of over 110 mph. Crows can recognize and remember human faces, particularly faces they associate with bad experiences. Woodcocks and many ducks have their eyes placed at the sides of their heads so that they have a 360-degree field of vision. Vulture stomach acid is 10 to 100 times stronger than human stomach acid. Owls turn their heads almost 360 degree, a complete circle, but they cannot move their eyes. The most talkative bird in the world is the African grey parrot. One parrot could say over 800 words. Most species of parrots can learn only 50. Kiwi birds are blind, so they hunt by smell. The penguin is the only bird that can swim but not fly. It is also the only bird that walks upright. Ostrich eyes are the largest of any animal that lives on land, approximately the size of a billiard ball. Hummingbirds are incredibly lightweight. The average hummingbird is around 4 grams. Hummingbirds are the only birds that can fly backwards. When ducks nap in groups, ducks on the perimeter keep guard by sleeping with one eye open. Birds don't fall off of a branch when they sleep because their toes automatically clench around the twig they are standing on. Birds migrate to other countries. Birds don't have teeth. Birds are good communicators. Some birds can mimic humans. Remembering the Birdman of India, let's go back to the memories of Mr. Salim Moizuddin Abdul Ali, also called Salim Ali. Is a name that resonates with every Indian as we fondly remember a man enthusiastically talking about his undying love of nature. Dr. Salim Ali's outstanding contribution to the field of ornithology, which stemmed from his dedication. Salim Ali was the first Indian to conduct systematic bird surveys across India and wrote several bird books and popularized ornithology in India. As a 10-year-old, Salim noticed a flying bird and shot it down. Tender at heart, he instantly ran and picked it up. It appeared like a house sparrow, but had a strange yellowish shade on the throat. Curious, he showed the sparrow to his uncle and questioned him about the birds. Its kind amazed at the unusual interest of the young boy. His uncle Millard took him to see many stuffed birds. When Salim finally saw a bird similar to the child bird, he got very excited. After that, the young Salim Ali visited the place frequently. Dr. Salim Ali not only researched about birds but also contributed to the arena of protection of birds and nature. In this special day of birds, let's all take an oath to protect nature and birds. Thank you. Happy birthday to everyone.